We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. Throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
It's a pinnacle, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pinnacle, never tell me killer food. Everybody coming from the hood on a kidnapping. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same plot. Living in a pinnacle, yeah.
We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there.
Coming with a ski max, bitch with a feedback. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some
Being bass, bang. Don't care. Ain't been in here, lit in here.
Don't care, and the girls dancing
Everywhere.
The bottle popping everywhere. The money
Everywhere designers everywhere. That's what I said in the song, and that's where I'm gonna live. You heard me? Welcome to another live stream. You heard me? I am about to go crazy. I'm about to go crazy. You heard me? Like, man, how do y'all be feeling, bruh? How do y'all feel today? It's another great Sunday, and it's Money Sunday. Wait. It's another Money Sunday. Let's get it. Hold on, man. My soundboard. It's another Money Sunday. Let's get it. So you know what time it is, bruh. Until what time it is. Another Money Sunday. I'm about to drop it in the chat. You feel me, gang? I'm about to drop it in the chat. Join the live. I am live on YouTube. Let's get it. You know what time it is. Let's go.
Oh my God!
All right, so I just dropped if you follow me on Discord, what's up with it? If you follow me on Discord, I just dropped the link in the chat on Discord. So on Uganda Signals. So let's get it. Let's get into this week, bro. I'm excited. Ain't gonna lie, last week we could do a little recap last week. I really didn't go live, but I was in a call and I went over my charts. But I want to go over review some crazy charts right quick, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I should have posted this, but I did not. I updated my charts. I didn't do a stream last week, but I updated it. But guess what though? I went, the chart still moved though. The market still moved, even though it was a short week. That boy soundboard. Yeah. You know what time it is with a soundboard. Let's get it. You know I'm the best. All right. Let's get back to the business. So I'm gonna do a little review. So let me walk through the stream pretty much. Let me do a little quick summary. So let me introduce myself. I am Katembo David, also known as Uganda Trades, the best trader in the game, going back to back wins. That's how I'm gonna be. Our goal is to be profitable consistently. Not 1 week out of the year. We're gonna be consistently for 36 weeks. I don't know how many days that is, but we're gonna be week to week consistently profitable. That's our goal for 2026. But also, I am Uganda Trades. I also live stream and I give you the best knowledge. I give you what I'm thinking. I'll give you what I'm going through, heart to heart, man to man, and I don't hold none back. I keep it a buck. So, anyways, before we get to today's live stream, I'm gonna do a little quick recap of what's gonna be going on. So I'm gonna do a market review, what happened the past week, and I'm also gonna ask ChatGPT what happened last week after I go through my charts. And also, I'm gonna see what's gonna happen next week. We're gonna go through the Earnings Hub calendar. We also gonna be, doing a fresh refresh of this Paul the Profitable. Oh yeah, I see you, brother. I see it. Let's go, part of profitable. Part of profitable. Let's get it. Give it a one. Let's get some cheering from part of profitable. Let's get it. Let's get it. But also, I'm gonna be going through. I'm gonna do a back test after I refresh all my charts and see what stocks are in play. So I'm gonna be going. Let's start with the stocks in play and what I saw this week. Even though it was a short week, this is what I had in play. So boom. Ain't gonna lie, I didn't even want to take a trade last week because we had a holiday, and you know holidays, markets be moving funny. And I ended up taking a trade, and I ended up taking a little loss. But guess what? Losing a part of the game, you can't be scared. You know what I'm saying? So what happened? I noticed it's still in place, still set up perfectly. We have our Reddit. You know what I'm saying? Reddit, even though it didn't move much, actually moved a lot. Cause look, this was Monday, broke through the support and went and tested the resistance. But now I feel like, bro, Reddit about to go crazy. I'm about to load up on Reddit next week if I see opportunity. If price crosses this level, because you know I'm seeing that we're still, you know, gonna push this level. So Reddit is in good hands, in good play, still in play. So this is what pretty much happened in Reddit last week. Just saw that push, failed. I mean, we broke through the support, right? Broke through the support, went to the resistance, straight to the daily resistance. But guess what? Now I feel like, oh, this is so in play. If Reddit goes over this resistance, man, oh man, it's buying time. So I also marked this up last week. We are looking at Microsoft price right now. So I ain't gonna lie, the week prior I made profit selling Microsoft down to this 460 level, but I took my profit. But look at that. Is Microsoft gonna retest the support on a daily? But we're gonna see once I refresh these charts, we might have a different idea. That's why I like to refresh the charts, and especially if it's a stock that in play, you gotta refresh it. And we saw that Microsoft kind of made a bounce back week after having a hard week the prior week. Moving on to AMD. I also made profit off of AMD. Selling it off, but guess what? AMD looks like it's trying to go back to the support level and test it. And maybe is it going to retest and break through, or is it going to retest and fail and continue on the downside? That's something we got to be looking out for. Going on to Kava. Oh my God, bro. Kava, man. Kava, bro. I saw this. I think the day prior. Man, like, I don't know. Like, this was a low key took a mental trade. This is why I don't like taking mental trades, man. Scare money don't make money. But guess what? I was also not mentally, and I did not mentally prepare because it's a holiday week. I didn't even have the money Sundays. Why even, take the trade? So that was on me. Mental mistake. But bruh, the contracts were crazy. They went crazy with Kava, bruh. Price in 1 week went crazy. If you think about it, like I saw it right here, and I saw it late too. What's crazy? I saw it late. Let's go to the 1 hour to get more detail, more hourly detail. I saw it around here, 11:30, 11 o'clock. And I was like, man, this looks so good, bro. We broke above the support. Now there's a resistance forming within. It's a good sign. We see prices failing and trying to break this resistance, and broke for the third time. I was like, bro, this gotta go crazy. But guess what? It was during the Thanksgiving week. So I just kind of, I backed up and I made a little, goofy chart. Dang, I didn't even call it out in the signals either. But man, the contracts went crazy. One contract was selling for $1,000. It went to $2,600, bro. That could have been a $1,600 day. That's rent right there. You heard me? That's rent on a contract. You heard me, bro? Trading can make you profitable. We can be profitable in this game. We just gotta be patient. We gotta prepare. We gotta be disciplined. You heard me? But I also was distracted with vacation, all that. That's why I didn't even give you. And let me tell you, I mean, I went on a little vacay. You know what? There's nothing showing you what trading can bring. Even though this is not funded by trading, this is personal. But guess what? Trading can do more, right? This is a lifestyle we go for, so we got to work harder. Let me. I'm not gonna shy out. I'm gonna show y'all, man. Y'all deserve to see how the Uganda man is living, man. Y'all deserve to see how the Uganda man is living, man. Oh no, I'm not even signed into my. I'm not even signed into my. Dang. Hold on. Wait a minute. It don't matter. It don't matter. Y'all don't need to see that. Let's stay locked in, right? I don't need to flex on y'all ninjas. But boom, Kava breaks the resistance, and I feel like it's gonna go to $400 level. That's the only way. That's the only way. But guess what? I missed the gravy train. I missed the gravy train, man. I missed the gravy train. Ooh, I could do like a late buy in this $400 level. But we have to see how that goes, man. $400 level. Sheesh. We don't know. We don't know. Kava was a great play, man. Great play. Candlesticks just went crazy, especially above the resistance that I drew up, that I saw. And you know, now we broke above the resistance on the daily. Bro, Kava about to go crazy. Selling any cars online, man. Whoever is buying cars online, man, good job, bro. Good job. And then boom, I had Zoom right here. Zoom. Zoom was at this daily support level. Get some water. Price broke initially, but I was a little patient. You know what I'm saying? I was patient on the 4 hour. 5 hour. 4 hour. I was patient on it. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes it's good to be a little patient especially after news, right? Give it time, see how news react. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying with it. But you see how it is though. Like price broke that level. Price broke this level, came back down, came back down, came back down, came back down. But guess what? I feel like if price crosses over again into Zoom, we might see some crazy plays for real. We might see some crazy plays. So being patient with Zoom, and then bro, contracts are super low key, like profit, like they're really affordable, bro. Like to 90, price was like at like $300 to 90. Imagine price breaks and goes to like 105, bro. You would go crazy. You go crazy, right? But Zoom, look, Zoom had its crash though. It's had better years, but hey, you know, are we gonna make that change? We're gonna see that change right now. We break this resistance right here and do, you know, push for the better. We'll never know. Now moving on to Hood. This Hood right here. Hood. Oh man, like dang, bruh. Not gonna lie. I saw this too. It was on Tuesday. It was a Tuesday night. So I kind of marked this up Tuesday night. I saw Hood was above this level. Oh, it was close. It didn't break the resistance yet. So I was gonna be a little patient, but guess what? Hood spikes up above, you know, the hourly resistance and goes crazy. But is the Hood gonna give us a chance to re-enter? That's where patience comes in. We're just gonna have to watch it. And then Spy also, man. Spy went crazy, marked it up. I think I marked a lot of these up on Tuesday because Spy jumped, and then QQQ also jumped, and then it goes crazy. I didn't get into it because, you know, it was a holiday week. I wasn't too confident. But guess what? Scared money don't make money. That's why I got a dud and my, you know, a dud for the week of the last week of November. But guess what? We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it up. We're gonna go crazy. But so that's it pretty much. And I'm gonna do a little quick overview of the Mag 7. Let's go on the 4 hour and see how the Mag 7 moved. This is Apple. This is Meta right now. Meta kind of trying to recover a little bit after doing horrible earnings. Microsoft, I already went through Microsoft, was on my Microsoft was on my trading list or stocks and playlist. And then Tesla broke above the resistance, came back. Very choppy lately. It was very choppy. And then boom, Google's been going crazy. But guess what? Saying that this could be potential, man. That price might be pulling back, you know, from this pull. But we're gonna see. You gotta play it day by day. Especially play it day by day. As you can see. Boom, hold it right here. Move this down a little bit. Boom. Google gonna come back to earth. Are we gonna buy some puts We'll go to this 190 level. Never know. We'll see. And then Apple. Oh yeah, bro, I'm tripping. Apple is sitting on this resistance, yo. Apple is sitting on this daily resistance, just chilling. Apple's sitting on this daily resistance, just chilling, doing its thing. But guess what? Low key, like I might be an early buyer, gang. I might be a get in there. I might get in there. What did I say, gang? Like I'm like a gangster or something. I might be an early buyer, get into this, and it's comfortably above resistance. Comfortably above resistance. Man, that's fire. And then, oh my God, this broke resistance too. This is going into, how's this down on my trading list? Amazon about to go crazy. And then it's right after Black Friday sales, bro. Probably Monday, bro. I gotta go get in on that. On the Amazon Manyan. And then we have Nvidia came back to this 4-hour support within this range right here. That's, Nvidia's been fighting through, broke above it, went to 211, and then came back down to 170, right? Because this is what price has been holding out. But now look, it failed. Look, Nvidia failed. It's back at this 4-hour support. Boom. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much it on, kind of my recap for the week. And this are the stocks I was mainly looking out for. This is the thing, bro. The stock market is so big. There's so many stocks that can be moving left, right, side to side. It's like there's so many opportunities out there. Like, why be mad if you miss one, though? I always say to myself is, look, if you're mad about missing opportunity, you get caught up over one opportunity, you're gonna miss more opportunities. So like if you miss even like that Carvana play, like, you know what? I ain't gonna lie, like it hurts you. You be like, damn, I could have, I saw it, I didn't get into it. Bro, it's cool, bro. Guess what? I'm going to look for new opportunities because guess what? The market is always gonna show new opportunities, bro. Our job is to we don't cry over fish we didn't catch. We don't cry over fish we lost. We are trained. We got to train our minds to continually look for better opportunities. And guess what? The opportunity you miss, you're probably going to find 100 times better opportunity if you stay focused on preparing yourself for the best. Putting yourself, let me say that again. If you focus on putting yourself in the best position to maximize, take the most out of that trade, that's what we have to train ourselves to. We cannot be mad that, oh man, I saw I didn't take it. So you know what? It's good to weep. It's good to cry about it. I cried about it. Guess what? I'm ready for the next move. I'm ready for the next play. Because guess what? That's what I gotta do. That's what, as a trader, you have to be thick-skinned. You gotta be like, you know what? I didn't make that, but guess what? My job is to prepare myself. So when the next opportunity comes up, I'm gonna maximize. I'm gonna take advantage of it. I'm gonna squeeze all the juice out. Let's get it. So, but tomorrow's about to be December, yo. Who's excited, bro? Tomorrow's about to be December. Like, watch out plans for December, man. Like some people are taking vacation and stuff. Low key, I don't want to take vacation, bro. Gang, I just want to low key lock in and just like prepare myself for 2026. Like some folk like just I don't know. I don't know, man. Like some people don't want to. Some people don't want to, like, I feel like December is like the turning point, right? Because it's like a lot of people on vacation, enjoying the holidays. I ain't gonna lie, there's nothing wrong with enjoying the holidays, but December is the time to lock in. December is the time to lock in, bro. December is the time to lock in. Yeah, December is the time to lock in, bro. All right, so about to ask ChatGPT what happened in the stock market. So, but how do y'all feel though? How do y'all feel like, about 2026, bro? I feel like 2026 is gonna be crazy. Like, bro, we got all the juice, bro. Like, there's nothing stopping us in 2026. There's nothing stopping y'all. Like, especially if you like been locked in for majority of 2025 or 2026 about to be a breeze, bro. If you locked in majority of 2025, 2026 about to be a breeze. You about to be profit on profit. And you know what? Like, what's crazy? I was posting this whole year. I was posting. I fell shy of my goal, right? Let me pull out my Discord. Pull up my Discord. Pull up my Discord, gang. This is my favorite. Where was it? Results, right? This year, 2025 was a year of just trying to put it in year over year. Like, you know what I'm saying? I just did back testing the whole year. Also trading along it. And I was getting knowledge, bro. I was getting knowledge. Market wizards, bro. I was giving y'all all this, bro. And guess what? I plan on not stopping. But guess what? Next year, my goal is to post more of this. My goal is to post more of these days, bro. This is my goal. That's my goal. It's my goal to post more, to make more, go crazier. Trying to post more, but I have to stay focused on the long-term plan. And the long-term plan is, guess what, gangs? The long-term plan is be consistently making that bread back to back to back. You heard me? So let's get it. Let's get into it. All right, so we just asked ChatGPT what happened last week in the stock market. So this is what happened for market performance and major indices. So the major indices ended the week on a high note. XP 500, Dow Jones, and the NASDAQ composite all rose on Friday in a shortened post-holiday session. Overall, it was one of the market's best weeks since June. Damn, bro, I was tripping. You know, I should have. That's why the lack of preparation gets you, bro. I could have went crazy. They had a great week last week. But guess what? Can I be mad? We have to continue to go crazy. So, what drove the gains and some of the unease? Investor optimism was boosted by the rise in hopes the Federal Reserve may cut interest rates in December. Tech-related AI stocks, including the big names, helped to fuel the rebound. That said, volatility remained high throughout the week, driven by uncertain AI valuations and rate cuts and overall economic data. Okay, cool. So the biggest theme. Okay, so this is sector company highlights. So heavy tech stocks saw a notable move. Some big firms surged as AI optimized rate cut hope. Meanwhile, parts of the market beyond tech also show strength. Healthcare and communication service sectors are, for instance, a big company as well. Okay, cool. There were headwinds too. Some semiconductors and tech adjacent stocks pulled back midweek as worries about competition and and re-engage. Okay, man, just give me a summary of this. Can't even type, bro. Give me a summary. The quick summary, high level. Okay, so quick summary. U.S. stock had one of the best weeks since June. That's crazy. Gains were driven by a growing expectation of Fed cuts, tech, AI-related stocks. Okay, what about what news to expect next week in the stock market? I ain't got all day, gang. I ain't got all day, so I said to summarize the above. So here's a quick summary. So the Federal Reserve signals markets are watching for clues about the possible December cut, which could move stock sharper. Key economic data, important reports coming out. Matter of fact, the PMI is coming out, job data, unemployment rates are coming out, inflation indicators, and consumer segment, all of which impact. Oh shit, my throat. All of which impact expectations for growth and rate cuts. Corporate earnings. Big tech and retail companies will be reporting results. Strong or weak earnings could influence the overall tone of the market, especially for AI-related growth stocks, AI and high volatility stock segment. Any news around AI regulations or big tech valuations may lead to volatility. Global. Okay, economic data for overseas, geopolitical developments, inflations. Okay, cool. That's all I need to know. Let's go to Forex Factory. Let's see what news we got coming up. So Monday, this is the PMI. It's coming out. Also Tuesday, no news. And then there's a non-farm employment change. And there's the job cuts. Challenger, wow, Challenger job cuts, unemployment claims, core price index, and then we got all this stuff going on. Pretty crazy. It's gonna be an eventful week. First, and then one thing I learned when I started doing trading with Forex, the first week of the month is always the most craziest because people want to figure out what's going to be happening. A lot of news comes out, especially like unemployment claims, and this can affect rate cuts. So this could be it could be a week where we make some great moves, anticipate some great moves because a lot of news going out, and the Fed speaks Monday too. So that's at 7 p.m. So that's something to be looking out for. Mr. Jerome Powell. All right, next. Let's go to Earnings Hub. The only hub I like. Pause. All right, so as you can see, I don't recognize Dollar Tree. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, I did mark up Dollar Tree. It's on my red list. Where's Dollar? Dollar Tree's having earnings game. Boom, oh my. Dollar Tree's being on crazy. And it came back into this channel right here. Boom, oh my. See, I never really traded it, but ooh, I like the way it moves. Do y'all like the way Dollar Tree moves? Oh my God, Dollar Tree looks, the way Dollar Tree is moving, yo. This is very tradable though. Y'all see how Dollar Tree is very, like, it's moving really good. Like, I like the price action of Dollar Tree. I like the price actions of Dollar Tree. Look at this. This resistance broke it, pushed it. We went from 30 points, not even 40-point play. Boom. Dollar Tree pushed that 40-point play. Dollar Tree pushed that 40-point play. Crazy. And I need to journalize. I need to journal. I haven't journaled, and I haven't like updated my logbook for real. So I need to, update that for real. Yeah, I'm liking. So Dollar Tree's dropping earnings. What else do I notice? Dollar General. Also, Dollar General's been a great mover, bro. Very, very good, bro. Dollar General. Boom. Let's see. Yes, like the price action is price actioning with Dollar General. Oh my God, yo. Crazy shit. Some crazy plays right here. Dollar General, man. Then, like, let me remove this though. Look out the price action. It's clean, bro. It's clean. Dollar General is clean with the price action. And we're about to get back into this little range right here. And we're about to have earnings. Oof, clean work. Respecting it. Shout out to Target. Ooh, Target. Reported earnings. Wow. $2 million shorts of what they're expecting. Let me not get distracted. Okay, Target. This is Toronto Dominion Bank. I don't know. Then you got Utah. No, not Utah. Ulta Beauty Inc. Ulta Beauty Inc. And they're a big makeup for more than 1,400 freestanding stores and 600 Target shopping shops. Ulta Beauty is the largest specialist beauty retailer in the U.S. Affirm. Wow. Don't sleep on these. Let's see. ULTA. Look at their chart though. ULTA. Ulta Beauty. Add you to this beauty. See, they have earnings coming up. Bruh, tripping, bruh. Let's see this. Let's go to the 1 month. Ooh, and it's near this all-time support. I mean resistance right here. Man, look at this turnaround though. Let's go to the weekly. Reason I love Earnings Hub, man, you always find new stocks to look at, man. You always find different parts of sectors, right? Man, who could you know you could make money off of the beauty industry, man? Who know, man? Who you know? And you know, girls like to love their makeup, man. Women, girls, ladies love their makeup. So these are the #1 distributor in the US. Oh, that's too easy. Too easy. And they're on resistance. Yo. And they have earnings coming up on on December 4th. So that's something to be looking out for. Let's go in the 4 hour. Okay, we see it. We have indication above here. Boom. Oh yeah. Low key, this is a trade. I will buy. That's my target right here. Called H. I don't know. Let's also add you here. I don't know why I have these two. All right, boom. All right. I love the way Alt Beauty Inc. And let's look at their financials, right? Let's also look at their financials, man. That's why I love Earnings Hubs, man. You always find something. Stock analysis, great. Great. What's it called? Great website. Gives you all the insight on the financials. Gives you cash flow, balance sheet, income ratios, all that good stuff. So let's start out looking at the annual. Let's set net income. So it looks like $1 billion. We're not doing as great as we did the year-to-year growth. The 12 months, we're only 6.7, 6.7, lol. Less than what we did last year. Let's look at the quarterly levels. Are we growing each quarter though? Each quarter. So it looks like they're about to release their Q3, and they're not expecting to go to do nothing too crazy. Low key, if they beat earnings. So this is more of like a this is like a trade that's kind of like good faith gamble. I'm gonna say that a trade that's a good faith gamble because they can release those earnings and price of Alta can just dive. I tell you. But anyways, let's see. Okay, what am I looking at? The income. Let's look at the balance sheet though. Balance sheet annually. Total assets, $6 billion in total assets, $4 billion in liabilities. So shareholders' equity is $2.6 billion. And then net cash debt. Ooh, and good. What's the working capital? They're positive on that. We'll look at the cash flow. New as reported. Standardized. Right. Investing cash flow. Operating cash flow. You know what? Let's add ChatGPT. Does It's ChatGPT, man. Short answer, negative cash flow can be bad for a stock, but not always. It depends on why the cash flow is negative. When the negative cash flow is negative, is bad. So negative cash flow is usually a red flag when it's caused by the business isn't making money. So revenue's falling, expenses are too high, and profitability is declining. This can signal financial trouble, potential bankruptcy, and risks for, okay, so this is, where's the net? The cash flow is negative. Financing cash flow is negative. Okay. What about, actually summarize above. So boom, when it's bad. Okay, when it's not bad, company is investing for growth. Revenue is rising, company normal. Okay. Okay. What about negative investment? Dang, cash flow. It's not bad. It's usually a good sign. So what negative cash flow means? So usually it comes from the cash flow from investing sector. So it turns negative when a company spends money on things like new buildings, buying equipment, investing in technology, purchasing other companies, and increasing. Okay, that's good. So negative cash flow is good that the company is continuing to invest, which is good. This is good. This is good. Okay. Then what about financing? Copy this. Financial cash flow reflects activities like borrowing money, loans, So when negative financing cash flow is good, negative outflown often means the company is returning money to shareholders and reducing debt, which is usually positive. Oh, when the negative cash flow can be bad, paying down debt because lenders won't refinance. Okay, then there's positive cash flow is good. The company is borrowing to raise funds for investment growth. Okay, so it's like a Kuna Matata Kuna. Got it. So that's pretty cool. Ultra Beauty, you're being added to my stocks to watch on my stock. What is this? ChargePoint Holdings, Kroger. I got Kroger. I charted up Kroger. Dang, I'm going on for too long. I've been at it for 40 minutes. But let's look at Kroger. Kroger gang. Boom, Kroger. I don't shop at Kroger, man. You catch me in Trader Joe's and Aldi's, man. And boom, price consistently underneath. It's almost near underneath support, but I only trade it because I don't like the price move, man. It's a little slow. You heard me? Slow. But man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Dollar General and the way Dollar Tree's been moving, bro. Man, Dollar Tree, bro. This price action is ridiculous, man. I love it. Y'all love it. Look at this pullback. Sheesh. We already pulled back. Boom. See that? Oh my. Price came above here. Oh, it's going dummy. Price going dummy. I love Dollar Tree. Love how this price moves. The way America is going. You know how I already said it, man. People are price shopping these days, man. Things are way too expensive. I see why Dollar Tree increased their earnings. Like, cause people, I'd rather go Dollar Tree. There's some things you get at Dollar Tree, and it's like shit. It's the same quality as the I got at Target. But anyways, I'm gonna do the Mag 7. And y'all know what a Mag 7 is, bro? Y'all know what a Mag 7 is, though. Are y'all aware of the Mag 7? They're not aware of Mag 7. They're not aware of the Mag 7. Mag 7, man. Y'all know what a Mag 7 is.
The Magnificent Seven are 7 tech companies which make up 28% of America's total market capitalization as of 2025. They're magnificent because in 2024, over half of the entire S&P 500's growth was from these 7 stocks alone, which made millions of investors a lot of money, but also leaves the US stock market in a scary situation, being more concentrated in one industry than at any other time in recent history. But which country has the most
Anyway, that's the Mag 7, you heard me? Anyway, I'm about to clear up my chart. We got all these stocks. I just gave you out a Mag 7, gang. Gave you out a Mag 7. And this is about to be a good live stream, man. I'm moving quick. I'm on time. I'm about to back test. Now, I still love the way Reddit looking. This might be for an opportunity to sell again. You know what I'm saying? Came back to test that support. Are we selling, gang? This kind of low-key took off. Zoom still waiting patiently. Shit. We're gonna see. Patience. And then low-key missed. Low-key missed this play. Right here. Are we gonna have a chance to get a, hopefully, but hope is a loser's game, so I ain't hoping. I just want to see it happen. And then, man, SPY just went crazy. Can't do nothing about that. And all reporting earnings this week, so low key, I'm gonna be doing some high probability gambling with my gambling little trading account. Let's see if we, I don't know, man. But we have resistance again. One. Let's go on the daily. Yep. Look at that. 1, 2, broke, came back, tested, bro. Like before earnings too. And this is like month high too. Like look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Price about to go crazy. If not, it is what it is. I accept my fate. So So let's start with the Mag 7. So right now, we're gonna be looking at the Meta. Boom. Man, I do this quick too. Boom. You see Meta. Look, y'all see what I'm seeing? Meta gonna continue because look, last time we had this, we had a bearish engulfing, failed at the top, pulled back. But look, are we gonna go? We're gonna see Meta go crazy. Boom! Look at this week, he engulfed 2 candlesticks on a weekly. So is Meta gonna go crazy? I don't know. So now, ain't gonna lie, I'm still gonna have this. I'm gonna have this right here. This boom, boom, and daily support here. Daily support here. This price gonna come back. Price gonna come back on a 4-hour. See this. This is like super not. I'm gonna say super not the most greatest support and resistance on the 4-hour, but if price goes back to that resistance, to that support level on a daily, you might see some damage happen, especially this month of December. Go to Meta. Let's go to Microsoft. Bearish engulfing, evening star. You know it's looking crazy on the monthly. Let's see how it's looking on the weekly. Also, not the best weeks. So Meta is showing signs of sell-offs, man. It's just trying to prevent the inevitable and inedible in F English, man. Inedible. How would you say that word? Inedible. Ooh. Oh wow. When I yo. Damn, my throat is fudged up. Throat is messed up, man. Okay. As y'all see, Meta. This is the power of refreshing your charts. Like, I can go back in my live streams and show y'all, like, look, this is what I saw. Now I'm looking at a different ball game. This is the power of refreshing your charts. Because now I'm looking at a different support. And then it's support here. Boom. Put a 4-hour support right there. Price. I see it. I see it. Are we going to continue downwards? Where's the Fibonacci? Oh my gosh. I don't even usually do Fibonacci's, but this is a perfect spot to just continue downward. Guess what? I'm not a Fibonacci trader. I'm gonna see market does. You hear me? Underneath this level, we're selling. And also, above this level, you might be buying. You never know. You never know, yo. So being patient. So Microsoft, are you on a trading list? You are. Oh my. Microsoft's on a trading list. Looking good, bro. Plenty of opportunity, man. Look, plenty of opportunity. On a monthly, go to Pezzy. There's Costco. Bearish engulfing on a monthly. Weekly, we have a morning star. And then let's go to daily. What do we see? I'm still looking at this support level right here. Boom. price just broke above it. Boom. Then we got this. Y'all see it? In gang skis. Y'all see it? Get gang skis, man. Boom, 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 boom. Peoples, bro. All right. Sorry for that distraction. Very unprofessional. Ugh. Sorry. All right. Back to it. So, seeing this double bottom-ish activity, double bottom, price create a new low, create a new high. So we might see low key, we might see it go crazy. And we had this support level between here. We're gonna see price break this support. 4 hour. Dang, man, my charting is so beautiful, yo. Just want to kiss it. Just want to give it a good old smooch. Want to give it a good old smooch.
Oh my God!
Just want to give my charting a smooch, yo. I want to give it a smooch. All right, let's go to Google. Oh my gosh, Google is having a great 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 great months, man. If you got in Google, definitely made some cha-ching. You can't go nothing wrong with some cha-ching on Google. See Google. Let me see. I'm investing in Google. I'm investing in Google. Be investing in Google. And then, and now when you see my love, it's in Google. And now when you see my love, wow, 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 wow. El Profito. All right, Google looking pretty good. And now we're going to weekly, as you can see. Not too crazy. Actually, something is crazy. Look at this doing jumps, gaps. I was seeing some red candlesticks. Why do I draw up these old resistance? Because I want to see where price was fighting, you know what I'm saying? Even though we might start creating new resistance here, I want to see where price was, you know, having battles, you know. I want to see that. Support, boom. All right, let's go on the 4 hour though. Still seeing price, this thing right here. Support, boom. Looks pretty good. Now let's go to Apple. All right, Apple also having a great month. Apple going crazy. It's going to weekly. Broke this, going insane, bro. Apple's having an insane run right now. And I see Apple's broke this resistance. It's chilling right above the resistance for real. It's chilling above the resistance. Boom. Daily resistance. Daily support. Going a 4 hour. And then we're going there. Boom. I'm buying above. I'm buying above this level, yo. Apple breaks that, I'm buying. SL here. Take profit here. Respectfully. Trading is about the plays, man. Amazon ski. Tough month, tough November, but looks like we're trying to pick it back up. We have this resistance right here. It's better this way. I couldn't say it's so good together. Now I see it different. See it? It's crazy how just recharting it makes it just give it a different point of view. Now I might have a better opportunity to get in a better. So that is an opportunity for me to smack that all up on the floor. Smack that. Oh, smack that. Yeah. Smack that. Have a better entry. See. 4 hour. Be patient with that. And lastly, NVIDIA, man, market mover el numero uno. Market mover el uno. This is a bearish engulfing just on a monthly too. That's something to look out for. And this is, did I miss the weekly? Weekly, yeah, all red, like Cardi's album, Paint the Town Red. Boom, 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 boom. I see it. We see it. Y'all see it. Let's go on a 4-hour. Resistance. Support. Fighting prices following the support though. I love price to come back. I've been in love with it. All right, let's go to our. I already marked that up. Kava. Boom. Refreshing hood. Refresh. And I'm gonna say it again. Why do I refresh my charts? The reason I refresh my charts, even though they gas, I just hit that. The reason I refresh is I don't want to have old analysis. I don't want to trade off of old markups because guess what? That's old data. That's old point of view. I want to trade a market with the latest and greatest news. You heard me? Latest markets, right? Because guess what? Like once a week has passed or a month has passed or however long you had your markups for, once they're passed, they're the past. Like draw up some new markups so you can have a new point of view, just have a new, better look at the market. Because guess what? Now you see what happened. You accumulated. So when you mark up like a new markup, you accumulated all what happened data and just try and project the future. That's pretty much trading. We take old data and try to project the future. So if you have old data that you already marked up and it's not refreshed, you're trading with old markups. It's like trying to predict with your old ass markups the future. No, you want to be up to date on what's going on. I hope that made sense. If not, eat a dick. Sorry. That's not professional. That didn't make sense. Read a book. So now we see that monthly, man. Fuses, been a lot of plays up and down. Look at this. See this engulf 1, 2, almost 3 candles. Oh, that's fire. That's fire. Oh yeah. Got this resistance right here. Yup. Daily support, daily resistance right here. Okay. Might be time. Get in. Oh yeah. It's time to get in. Now financial advice. One thing I like about this price, we're at a new low, but did not break that, but we breaking higher highs. So let's see what price does. So, ooh, looking crazy right now. Looking crazy. I'm just waiting for price to break that. Then we have boom. See what Reddit does. Already marked up Microsoft. Potential resell. AMD. What AMD looking like? Oh, a little pullback after crazy month. They're going to weekly. Weekly looking like trying to fight back. Feel like price is doing it's trying to fight. 3 candlesticks. I don't know. Don't look too great. AMD. Price is still underneath support. Boom. On the 4-hour. One thing I'll tell you is that made lower lows. Are we gonna make? Got this right here. It's in play. I'll be patient and see what happens with AMD. Let's put this here. It's the AMD. So it's here. And we're gonna remove your ass. Ava went crazy. It's the ending of the month. And we have 1 week. Golf this. Morningstar on the weekly. Boom. Now we're going crazy with it. Now we have opportunity for that right here. I just do the same thing over and over again, man. That's how you get better at trading, bro. You just gotta do the same thing. Y'all motherfuckers asking ChatGPT to write y'all up a support and buy. Y'all lame as fuck. Ain't gonna lie. Just trading's so easy, bro. There's no point of having artificial intelligence do it for you, bro. Whatever. Y'all do whatever y'all gotta do. I'm gonna show y'all how it's done. You know, old-fashioned way. Old-fashioned way. Old-fashioned way. Resistance too. Still in play. Boom. Weekly. Really at this big ass resistance, man. And I'm just going quiet right now. Locked in. Locked in, locked in, locked in. Boom. Even draw this shit up. Boom. Boom. I see it. I see it. Ha, let's get it. Y'all see it. Boom. Price broke the resistance, came back, broke underneath for resistance. Now it's like, are you gonna hit here or are you gonna come back? And boom, we're gonna go crazy. Let's look at Hood. You know, platform I trade on. Bearish engulfing. Now you see weekly. I'm gonna test this resistance. But we have also engulfing. Bear engulfing. I'm going coding crazy. 9-minute. Boom. Oh my. Oh my. I don't think that's the best resistance, but the support level is pretty fire. Not gonna lie, gang. Not gonna lie. It's not the best distance. Put it over here. Just for, you know, keep it G. This fool. That shit later. Oh. Mm-hmm. Spy. Yeah. Spy here. Hopefully. Just doing spy shit. Doing spy shit, man. Hopefully. On a weekly. Almost thought we had him spy. Y'all see it? I see it. We all see it. Boom. Boom. You see it here. If we fail, break that. Oh, we already talked about Apple. We talked about Apple. But that's what my plays for the week, bruh. See what happens with Microsoft. Oh, Carvana, we'll be looking out for you. But you know, let's start back test. Let's get into it, man. But my man sent me some beats. Let's see. That was crazy, y'all. Dang, I can't. I don't think this is probably gonna be copywritten. Copywritten. Ooh, that's fire. I love when it remembers where I was last time. I was here last time. Making trades, you heard me? I'm about to play some music for y'all. Rubber dub dubs. Let's see. Ooh, this chill, bro. This chill. All right, this is where we last left off when we were back testing live. Bro, who backtest live, bro? Before we backtest for real, let's get hype right quick. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Boom, live back testing live, bro. Who do it better than me? I'll walk you through my mental process. It's gonna be a good time. You hear me? Good time. You know, I look at just pay attention. This is how the master does his thing. You know what I'm saying? It might be a shitty back testing session. It might be a fire back testing session. Guess what? We are gonna be billionaires by the end of the day. So how do we start this off? After the end of last week, we see that market is bearish on the monthly, even evening star almost. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, market just ends up selling off. Go to daily. Boom, this is where the daily's at. The market's at daily support. What the heck? This crazy long-term support right here. And boom. Then distance. Man, I just pressed like so many things. Distance, right? On the 4 hour. Hour. On the 1 hour. That's the week. All right. All right, market, I need support. See what happens. So one. What time I took this? 12 p.m. Taking risks, holding it on overnight. Boom. Break even. Price continue on my way. Boom. Close position. First trade is a banger. Boom. Shit. Damn, bro. Oh my gosh. Left some meat on the bone. It's whatever. Secure profit's better than no profit. Took that bread. Time to reset. Where the market's at. Still underneath this. A lot of choppiness going on here. Very choppy. Very choppy. Kind of failed. Support level. Whatever gains. Boom. We are in October too. October. So this is the end of September, going into October. October. Still selling off. So enough can we do though? Okay. Dang, they giving up play, but watch this. About to hit my you sell again. Y'all wise. See, this is 11 a.m. Wednesday. 11 a.m. Wednesday. So I'm taking this trade. See what happens. Got stomped out. Oh, good. Oof. Second trade of the week. Let's see how this week goes, man. Trying to force it a little bit. Let's do a better stop loss. Firm it. This is done on Thursday morning sell. I don't like this. Oh yeah, I'm cooked. Cooked. I'm not cooked. I am cooked. Get out. Price is holding this. I'm gonna get out. Price is holding that too well. Price is holding that too well. This level right here. Price is holding it too well. I had to get out. Like bam, price was not going underneath this level. This is a low. If you created a new low, maybe I'd have been more confident. Price did not hold it, so I was like, you know, let me just get out. No wishful thinking. Then we have all this momentum. Let's see if we can take it into next week. Or I'm just gullible. Gully boy. Oof. Oof. I have a chance to, you know, take my 10K loss. We start this. Whoa. Daily. Weekly. Fighting. Price still at the support though. Daily support. Boom. Price trading is about plays. Okay, back to where I was. Do I take a 10K loss or take a 20K loss? Let's sell. Let's see what happens, man. Yoink. All right, did get yoinked. You know what? I'm gonna re-enter of this. See what price does. Kind of ridiculous. 1-2, 100, 1-10 for real. Ooh, great price action. Love that. Now, I already got 10K secured, so it's a free trade. Breaking above. Now we at support levels. What are we gonna do? Price gonna chop up. This is the beginning of the week, Monday. And up, boom, pushes that above that. Pretty fire, pretty gas. I love that. I'm taking that. I'm taking 66K. I'm getting paid today. Getting paid today. Boom. Big wins matter. Big wins matter. Getting paid today. I'm getting paid today. And all because price held this level too well. I'm like, oh, gotta get out. You're holding that shit too well. All right, this is my last week. Dang, I only traded for 2 weeks. Oh, I'm gonna trade for 2 more weeks. Dang. Man, I can't be giving y'all that minimum. I see anything in here that I like. Say this level right here. Re-enter above this level. Sell below this level. Oh, it's struggling. All right. What time it is? 12 p.m. in Wednesday. Break. Ooh, it trolled hard. And what time I bought that? 10 a.m. Thursday. I cooked instantly. Big sign right there. Man, instant fried. And we're going into Monday. Move. Set the month. Go on the weekly. Daily. Definitely showing signs of failure in a smaller time frame, so I see a continuation downward. Hour. Full pressure and come. See what happens. Oh my God. Monday opens up. Oh, that was on me. Made a mistakes. Mistakes were made. It's all good. Cause I kind of rushed it. I'm buying on Friday evening. Bad move. Not me. All good. It's probably back test. Fix mistakes. Not perfect. Any shape or form. Work every day. Work every day. Get as close to perfection as possible. Monday 2 p.m. Okay, I feel like this was going to. Oh. Okay. Market gaps down. There we go. Yeah, I'm doubling. Oof. Big risk. Big risk. Damn. Shit on my face. Damn. All good. And that was probably cooked. Yup. Yup. Darn, you serious? Whatever. Gotta take it, man. Gotta take it. Take the money, take the money, take the money. And then there's more on the bone, of course. Bear trap. Shit keep falling. October. Red October. Yeah. Gonna fall that much? Probably not. Am I dreaming? Maybe. Realistic. It's a 1, 2, 6. This is on 8 a.m. Wednesday. Insta-cooked. Re-enter. One more time. One more time. Give it one more try. Oh, you want to play that? I'm going to play that too. Retrade. Ignore. Don't got me in the morning. That's probably got the hell out of me in the morning. If I take my 13K ski and run ski? Sheesh. Yeah, yo, just laying off, might as well. Oh. Gap down, goofy ass. Gap down. Take my 10K though. Ugh. Wow. Wow. I yoink that. I'll yoink that. Respectfully, I'll yoink that, man. I take my yon. Gotta take the munyon. You heard me? That's it, dog. Damn. Take the money. That's it. That's it. Damn, bruh. I ain't gonna lie. This Magic 100,000 has been my freaking, like, that shit is tough for me, bro, to get over that, bro. 1,000, 100,000. Sheesh. It's tough for me, man. Other than that, boom. Shift. Back test. All right, y'all. I appreciate all the love, man. Went through the charts with y'all. Back tested with y'all. Here are my Reddit. Here are my Reddit. Was I back testing Reddit? Vanguard. This is okay. So here's Reddit for y'all. I see it. Reddit. This is my list. Stocks list. This is the list of stock in play for me. I have Reddit. I have Microsoft. BioCell. I have Carvana. Even though I missed this play last week, but hey, there's more. Table. Zoom. I have Zoom. I have Hood. I have Spy. I have Beauty Company. And I have Apple. Let's get it. Uganda Trades is out of here. Love y'all so much for joining, man. Who does it better, man? Uganda Trades. It's out. Let's make some profit this week. See y'all and love y'all. Uganda Trades.
We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. Throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
It's a pinnacle, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pinnacle, never tell me killer food. Everybody coming from the hood on a kidnapper. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same plot, living in a pinnacle. Yeah.
We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there.
Coming with a ski max, bitch with a B-bag. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, one don't get, and we ain't fit, I can't get in here, we getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere, the bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing.